Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Vous savez déjà. So yeah, as you can see, I'm serving a little moment. Comprends? Basically we're gonna be talking about perm rod sets. You know, giving you a little moment there. Train de vous donner un petit aperçu of what's going to happen, you know. Je pense que ça it's actually the 4th day, la 4e journée. Donc this is the 5th day, yeah. And yeah, let's get into it. We have the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, then the Great Detangler Leave-In Conditioner by Taaliah Waajid, and you know, my brush, my go-to detangling brush, period. Then some perm rods, you see, as I'm showing you a couple. I think I got 40 there, 40 or so or more.
Yeah, get into it.
Here I'm just taking a section of hair, adding the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and you know, adding 2 pumps, then detangling with the brush, and adding 1 more pump to get everything sleek down, you know. And after perform the surgery, basically. Here, as you're going to see, I'm about to, you know, flat twist. I'm about to twist maybe like 1/4 of the hair for my roots, so I don't get, you know, so I can get actually some definition there and start rolling. If you haven't realized, I actually am stretching my hair to the max as possible, because when doing, you know, perm rods, you need that hair to be elongated, stretch, vous comprenez? Comme si bien étiré. Tu vois ce que je veux dire? So yeah, before rolling, assure-toi que, you know, the hair is fully stretched. So yeah, you know, you have to keep that hair stretched, elongated. Tu comprends ce que je veux dire? Because otherwise, ça va pas bien sortir dans le fond. Puis you won't be happy with the results. You know, it takes a little time to do it, so you don't want to be frustrated. So here you can see 2 pumps. I'm going to apply it. Then after that, I'm going to detangle with the brush. Then apply once again to sleek everything down. Then basically, I'm going to, you know, twist my roots just a little to get some definition there. Then just after twisting my roots, là où je termine, where I finished literally like the twist that I did, I'm gonna hold it there and stretch the rest of the hair. You're gonna see, yeah, right there, yes, like that, as you've seen. Et assurez-vous, just be sure que les pointes, like the ends of your hair, are really like stretched to the max and tucked under your first roll of hair. It has to be tucked under the first roll of hair for it to have a nice definition there. So you see, I'm tucking, I'm twisting, and as I'm twisting the hair, I'm still sleeking it down and keeping it elongated. Just make sure everything is stretched, everything is tight, everything is staying in place. You know, just keep it sleek and you're gonna get the definition that you want. Like, really. A little remark here, as I am securing the perm rod, I am securing over my hair, not under, over, okay? Just to be sure, because you have to keep it tight, otherwise it will fall off. Same thing, honey, same process, sweetie, you know, same thing. A little pump, sleek it down, twist it. You know, 1/4 of the hair, stretch it until the ends, then secure and tuck your ends under the first row. Yes, that's it. Tuck it there, make sure all your hair is elongated, girl, you know. Then you start twisting, and be sure use the little foam that you have in your hand just to make sure that everything is sleek down, every, you know, piece of hair is sleek down. secure over the hair. Period, you know? Just a little remark. When you're rolling upwards and outwards. So the outer part of your hair, you're rolling the outer part, not the inner part. Outer part of your hair. Here. Here, look closely. I've twisted. I'm holding, and stretching. Yes. Holding and stretching the hair. It is key. And here, stretching the ends under there. All the way. Here I haven't tucked. But, as you can see, I'll be tucking after. Because I know I did tuck. Because I know how the hairstyle went. Okay, girl. Okay. So, yes. Everything has to be sleeked down. Like as I am doing there. You see? Rolling outwards and upwards. Outwards, upwards. Serving you a little entree. Also there, just make sure when you're sleeving down the hair, please, just make sure everything is detangled. If you need to give it a little brush there, just add the extra brush. Even if you're not sure, add it. You'll see. Quand vous êtes là, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne. Merci. Subscribe to this channel and follow me on this journey together, for new heights.
Bruh.
Y'all, I was so confused and frustrated. That perm rod was so sleek. I was like, oh, do I really have to take it down like seriously? Literally redoing it.
Dirty bitch, I think the fuck not.
In a couple of seconds, I'll be finishing the rest off camera, then coming back to show you the results. The enormous hole in the back of my head. I am tired. Basically, in the next clip you're gonna see, it's 2 days later. I slept with a satin bonnet basically, and yeah, I waited 2 days because you know my hair is low porosity and it be doing some moves sometimes.
Yes, Gaga, you look so good. Oh my God, yes.
I had a little moment there, you know. I'm already adding oil in my hair, you know, just for the sake of the frizz, tame that frizz, so add some oil. As well, as I was saying, you don't actually need to wait like 2 days. Like my hair is just so porosity and it'd be doing some bizarre moves sometimes. So yeah, I just wait 2 days basically. And with the foam, it doesn't take that long. Like at least one, you could check, but 1 day should be obviously enough for your hair to dry. Or if you have a hooded dryer, like at most 3 hours. If you've been here so far, don't forget subscribe. leave a comment and, you know, a little like, help your boy out, like. Yes, that hair now, oh my god. It looks so good. Here, just be adding some oil to reduce the frizz. I'm actually gonna separate the hair now. What you need to know is, you know, separate where your hair naturally separates and twist it in the direction that you curled your hair, so it will pop back the curl. And yeah, that's basically it. By the way, I was actually in a hurry there, so if you see me being I would say a little rough. Also, for the record, when you're taking down your hair, if you do this hairstyle, make sure you have like at least an hour and a half before to really take your time to take down the hair. As I was saying before, I was sort of in a hurry to go somewhere and the time was passing by. And yeah, I just... C'est ce que c'est, hein? It is what it is. Well, that's it, folks. There you have it, you know. Thanks for watching my video. Honestly, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, you know. Support your boy out on this journey. We are in this together. Oh my god, the bloopers me tue. Anyways, comme vous voyez, merci encore. Au revoir.